Hello guys, good afternoon everyone, and today, without wasting our time, we are proceeding with our pair on board. So guys, on screen here right now, we are having this VIX 100 index. Okay, so guys, without wasting our time, let us proceed with this one. All right. Okay, so guys, as we all understand that based on our strategy, we always start from the higher time frame to the lowest time frame as usual. Remember that we always use pure price action strategy. Okay, so guys, on screen now, we are on a daily time frame, or we are on 24 hours time frame. Okay, so let us try to start this price from this point, from the highest point to this current price. All right, guys. So from this point, guys, you can see here from this starting point, from the highest point, we had this impulsive move to the downside, all the way to the downside. Then here, this was the lowest price. You see, it was around here. Then boom to the upside. Then some sort of correction here. Then boom, impulsive move to the upside. So guys, you see now, let us start from here, guys. So you see, from this point, guys, I'm going to take this ley line and draw it from this point. Again, now, what are we going to do, guys? Remember to zoom in and out as much as possible so that you can see the good picture. So you see, now let us try to start this price from this current, from this past price up to this current price. Okay, guys. So from this price 1562.4, we had the impulsive move to the downside. Then after this point, guys, you see, so after this point, it was our reversal price point. So you see, boom to the impulsive to the upside. Then we had some sort of this correction here. So you see, so we had this correction along this price level. All right. So again, after identifying this correction, guys, what are we going to do next? We are going to start the current price. Just forget about the past price, but now we are focusing on the current price. So after this correction, we had impulsive move to the upside. Then what are we expecting here, guys? We are expecting something like this. So from this daily time frame, we are expecting the price to push more up so that it can go and touch this price level. So this is the possible, and this is the probably. Probably it can go down like this way, and the possible it can go up so that to complete the second touch, which it will give us double top confirmation. All right. Okay, let us proceed, guys. So now, without wasting our time, guys, we are going to 8 hours time frame. So guys, what I want you to remember, it is this. Make sure you zoom in and out so that you can see the good picture. And the next issue here, I'm going to zoom in first of all so that I can tweak my trend lines like this way. So see, sorry. I'm going to tweak my trend line so that I can have the good picture. You see. So now on this time frame, guys, remember that we're having some sort of this kind of price action. So after this big impulsive move to the upside, as you can see here, guys. Then we had this correction, then boom to the upside. We know that if this correction will stay long, then if it will manage to break up to the upside, then we know that the next move, it will be the impulsive move to the upside. But this is possible, and probably it can go down like this way. So anything can happen within a market, all right? So now let us proceed, guys. We are going to start this current price. Forget about the past price. We are going to start for the current price, okay? I'm going to take my trend line as usual. I'm going to draw it from this point up to this point. You see? Again, I'm going to take the trend line. I'm going to draw it to the from this point, all right? So now, guys, you can see here now, we have understood that according to the nature theory, we already have something like this: impulsive move, correction to the upside, then impulsive move, correction phase, then impulsive move. So you see, this one, this structure, it looks the same one like this one here. So you see, it is an impulsive move, correction, impulsive, correction. Then what we are expecting, what is next is impulsive move to the upside. All right. I hope we are together now. If you haven't watched this video about the nature theory, you can watch it right now so that you can proceed. It will be easy for you to understand what are we doing right now on the board. All right. All right. Make sure you tweak your trend line as usual so that you can see the clear picture. Okay. Without wasting our time, guys, now we are going to H4 time frame. So on this time frame, guys, make sure that, remember that as long as we go deep to the smaller time frame, you can see we're having the good, also we can have the good picture. So make sure you zoom in and out as usual. You see, I'm going to tweak my trend lines here and here again. So you see, so now from this point, guys, we know that here currently price is still correcting. So you see, so currently price is still correcting. So what are we going to do here now, guys? We know that what will be next, it is the impulsive move to the downside. If this price will manage to break, to go up until to this level, it will be our second touch. Then from here, we can sell, or otherwise we shall be looking for the buy opportunities as well. So now, guys, you see, let us go down to 2 hours time frame. So on this time frame, guys, you see, now we are going to deal with the current price as usual. Make sure you zoom in and out so that you can see it in a good picture. So now, guys, from this point, what are we looking here, guys? I'm going to adjust this trend line so that you can see the good picture. Now, from this point, I'm going to use my ley line, horizontal ley line here. I'm going to draw it from this point to this point. So you see, from this point, guys, you can have some sort of triple confirmation. So this was the first one, second, and the third touch. So now, guys, what are we understanding here, guys? We know that this is a reversal pattern, but this is the reversal pattern for the continuation to the upside, you know. So now, guys, I'm trying to start this current price. Let me go to H1 time frame. So on this time frame, guys, you can see we're having some sort of reversal. So first of all, guys, I'm going to take my trend line as usual. I'm going to draw it from this point to this point. From the starting point of the correction, like this one. So you see, so within this correction, also we can have small patterns, which are the continuation patterns. Either it is bullish flag or bearish flag. So these are the continuation pattern. Within this big correction pattern, we can have small continuation pattern, whether it is a bullish flag or bearish flag. Okay, so now guys, what are we expecting here, guys? So from this time frame, guys, we know that we are having the first touch. I mean, let me do this one the first, and this is the third one, and I mean the second one, then the third one. So now what are we expecting here? We are expecting this price to go down like this way. So you see, so this, we know that this is a small correction. So after reaching this price level, guys, I hope this price will go up for more moving. You see, so this will go up to this point, then boom to the upside. So from here, guys, we shall be looking for the buying opportunities as well. All right. So first of all, guys, make sure you are subscribing our channel so that you will be the first one to get the notification for the new videos, new updates, and so on, guys. And make sure you like and leave your comment. Just leave in a comment, leave your suggestions so that we can improve. I hope you guys will deserve more than this one. All right. So make sure you click there, that button, so that you will be the first one to watch our videos, our updates. So you see, and make sure you like the video, you comment, you leave your comment there, or any suggestion. All right. So let us proceed, guys. So after identifying this kind of pattern, guys, now we have understood that this was a small correction to the upside. So this is like this one. So this is, I hope this it will be the bullish flag. Why? Let me tell you this, guys. So now, guys, let us go to 30 minutes time frame. So remember that when we are going to deep down to this small time frame, guys, we are just going to refine our entries. Remember that our H1 time frame we are using for the entries, but this small time frame like 30 minutes and 15 minutes we use to refine our entries. So let us proceed, guys. Before going on, guys, let us pick our trend line as usual. So you see, I'm going to tweak this and this one. Yeah, like this one. So now, what are we going to do here, guys? We are going to do this one. I'm going to adjust this trend line so that we can have the good picture. So you see, then I'm going to adjust this trend line. So you see, guys, now from this point, we are having something like this. So now here we are having this is the first touch and the second touch. All right. So this is the first touch, second touch. What are we expecting? Either. So I'm going to give you a demonstration here, guys. So you see. So now, after identifying this kind of pattern, reversal pattern, we have understood that it can be like this way. This price, it will go like this way. Maybe this is a possible it can go down so that it can complete this correction. So you see, then this is the possible, but probably it can go more down for the study touch. And this is a possible. So from this point, we shall be looking for the buying setup. And probably it can go down up to this point so that it can complete this third touch. All right. So you see. So here we have 1, 2, 3 touch confirmation. So maybe if this price it will manage to come up to this point, then we shall be looking for the buying opportunities around this price level. All right. Yeah. So it can be like this way. So anything can happen, guys. Just make sure you are practicing a lot and a lot. Make sure you're watching the other videos so that you can make your mind subconscious. All right. Without wasting your time, guys. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your support. And make sure that you are subscribing our channel. You are leaving your comment there or any suggestion. Make sure you like this video. I wish you all the best, guys. I can't wait to see you on our Telegram public group for this call. I will call this setup and we shall hit together. I hope you enjoyed the video. At least you have got something to share with the others. Thank you, and I wish you all the best, guys. Can't wait to see you.